we have to determine refractive index of this glass slab. First of all, level the traveling microscope. Here, requirement is traveling microscope, glass slab, lycopodium powder, etc. With the help of a spirit level, we level the given traveling microscope. Now, first of all, take a white paper and draw cross line and put it just on the given surface of the microscope, and then focus it by rack and pinion method. We focus it and take the reading of it gives the lower depth of the given glass slab, and the reading is taken by from vernier scale and then main scale. You take reading. Here is, suppose we have 3.7. Now you take reading 3.7. Similar process is repeated for 3 times. Minimum 3 times it must be repeated. It is reading of R1, that is at lower portion of the given glass slab. Understood? Now again put this glass slab and without disturbing this portion, we just unscrew and raise the level of the focus point. Now raise the level. You see it?
Yes, sir, perfect.
You also?
Yes.
What is reading? You just see here. See that vernier calipers and then main scale reading. You see, Ganesh ji.
4.8. 4.8.
You take, it is 4.8. Now you take reading 4.8 for R2. Here glass slab is placed. Its lower portion virtual image is formed. So that reading is R2. Main vernier scale is reading. Here vernier scale is 3. You write here 3. Now give lycopodium powder, because its particles are very small. And top portion is focus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Here lycopodium powder is given on the top surface to focus it, and top surface image is taken by us. So lycopodium powder is placed here and then focus it. You Ganesh focus it. You by using this one. You can also focus it. ऊपर से होगा. No, in this way, not focus it. Focus the top surface, that gives the image of the upper face.
Yes, sir, focus on.
Now this point is focused here. Now this is focus point here. This one is focus here, and take the reading. You see the reading.
6.3.
You write here 6.6, and vernier scale is you see here.
3, sir.
3 is here. You write 3. Now by using formula here, lower surface R1 is measured with the help of the micro scale reading, or we have vernier scale reading. Lower surface is measured, and now after focusing R2 is measured.
Yes, sir.
And then top surface lycopodium powder is placed here, and we measure it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is the process by using formula R3 minus R1 or by R2 minus R3, that gives the refractive index of the glass.